challenge 4. What would that look like? Okay, here's the only thing you have to worry about. We're going to try something different. Once I get rid of a little bit of the air, I'm going to try to kill him with air. But first, here's the standard attack. We just soften up the front slowly. So first we'll bring in 2 Lightbringers. Put them on hold. Then we're going to bring in the Bounty Hunter. And he's just going to distract them for a while. We're going to bring in 2 Lightbringers. And this is just till we can clear out some of the troops that are attacking us. These little men will do you seriously damage, so you want to, they're the most important thing to worry about. Getting rid of them. They will put the hurting on you, that's for sure. So they're the most important thing to get rid of. But as long as you're not in a hurry, you'll do well. Okay, these guys decide they want to get me. All right, we are close. Okay, here we can. Now we can do it. Got to get rid of this guy. You don't want these guys coming in from all different directions. There. All right, go right there. All right, put them on hold. Now we'll bring these guys up. Once these guys get up, we're going to try to kill them with air. See how that works. All right, right there. Now we will retreat him, and we'll bring in 4 air. Not those 4. All right. Let's see if we can't take that guy out with air. Yes, okay. That's a good way to do it. Now basically the base is done. Now we'll bring our Bounty Hunter back in. And he'll just distract everybody. Now we'll just go around and clear the rest of the base. So you see, it's not real hard. Just be methodical. Take your time. Figure out what works, what doesn't for you. In the past, I did not use air. But being as slow as I am, I figured, hey, good day to experiment. See what works and what doesn't. What happened? Get back over here. All right. A little bit here, and then we're set and ready to go. This base is over. It's done. He's gone. Get rid of these guys. All right, now we just put it on Ruby. And they'll just go around and clean out everything that needs to be cleaned out. I won't get any points for this because I haven't done it in order, but I'm just experimenting. What are some easy ways to kill these bases? Because sooner or later they're going to show up and not in an event. Oh. I guess that must have been the next one I needed to do. Gave me points. Oh yeah, okay, it was. That was the next one I needed to do. All right, so go and do likewise. See how much damage we got on our air. 1 minute 52. That's the one I used. This is the one I did not use.